Hi, Mrs. Johnson's class. 6.5 attributes of 3D shapes. Can you name and identify the different parts of a 3D shape?
Yes.
Question. What kind of shape is this? What kind of shape is this? What kind of shape is this one? 3-dimension. How many what are the 2 dimensions of a 2-dimensional shape? Base or length, right? And the height, yes. What are the 3 dimensions of a 3-dimensional shape? Okay, stop. Base, which we can also call the length, so let's just call it by one or the other. So let's call it the base, okay? Then we have the height. And then what's the third? Width. So notice that the base and the height are going to be the exact same, yes? The difference is adding the width in. We good? Parallel. 2 lines are 2 shapes that will never what? When we're talking about the base, it's really easy if we put the base at the... Say again? Do you want to do the video for 5 minutes? Then knock it off, whoever's doing that. Sit up. Face. 3D shape. What part of the 3D shape is the face? The flat surface. The edge is what? That's all I got to say. It's a line. A vertex is what? The point. If you have more than one vertex, you have what? Here we go. Prism. There's 4 parts to a prism. Part 1, it's a what?
3D shape.
What do we know about its bases? They're what?
Parallel.
They're 2 parallel bases. The bases are also what?
Congruent.
Which means they are the... And the last thing is the bases must be what of each other?
Opposite.
If we have a prism, how do we name it? What do we look at to name the prism? The base or the bases? The bases, right? Okay. A pyramid. Also a 3D shape, yes or no?
Yes.
How many bases does a pyramid have? 1. What happens with the faces and edges? What do they actually do in order to show us that it's a pyramid? They come to a single point. What's the single point called? Vertex. How do we name pyramids? What do we use to name the pyramids? We name them after their base, yes? All right. What is this and this and this? What are these things called that I'm tracing right now? What are these things that I am putting on this shape right now called? Vertices. And then like this triangle right here, this base right here. What are those called? What are these called? Faces, right? Can you count faces, edges, and vertices? Yes. So this shape, which looks like a Kleenex box, I could really count all of them. Why is this shape called a pentagonal pyramid? What is the base? What shape is this base here? It's a pentagon, and then all of the sides go up to a single point, right? In any pyramid, we're always going to have what as the sides? Triangle, except for the base. Doesn't necessarily have to be a triangle, right? We good?